Hello everyone, Fonzie here. Today I'm going to be making an Ork Kommando in a barrel using Tamiya's barrel kits, as my local game store didn't have any of the Games Workshop's official barrel sets. And just dry fit them first, make sure they're all good, get off any mould lines left from the sprue, and I'm going to use my clippers here to start clipping away at the sides. I'm using the line of the barrel to help me get the hole looking perfect on each side. You can also glue it together, then drill a hole, but I find this process a lot easier. Clipping it is a super easy way to make ork rough textures and cuts in the metal, as they're not going to be clean about their cuts at all. They're just going to make something that works. And using the knife here to just add a few more scrapes. You can also add some ammo bullet shots in the barrel if you want to. I'm now making a hole for the eye where the ork peers out. You could also cut a hole here and put an ork face behind it if you wanted to. This time though I opted just for a hole. So putting it together now with Tamiya's extra thin and gluing it together so I can see where the arms go. After holding it for a bit, it dries quite quickly, just checking to see if the lid still fits, because the clips will sometimes deform the top of the barrel. Getting out the big shooter here to see if I could fit it in. Unfortunately the arms didn't quite reach, so I opted for just using 2 choppers instead. If you want to use the big shooters, then you need to cut the holes a bit closer to each other. This is Tamiya Extra Thick, which is extra thin with melted sprues, because the glue melts it all down. It's really useful as a base for a lot of things, leaving a really strong bond. So I'm just adding a tiny bit of super glue here to the top of the arms, so they'll adhere to the top of the barrel bits where I've already started. And I wouldn't want to leave just the super glue, it would probably break off if I picked it up by the arms in the future, but it's strong enough to hold it there in place while you fill in all around it with Tamiya Extra Thick. And there are plenty of guides out there, just either type sprue glue or extra thick Tamiya. It's an easy process. You can change it to all kinds of different consistencies. Just gluing the lid on now, and that's it. It's pretty much done. And here's the ones that I did previously. And hope you enjoyed. If you did, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more videos. I'm hoping to make these more routinely now, and yep, stay tuned for more. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.